And another dangerous problem on the roads, people who don't move over so those first responders can get by or do their work. Arapahoe County shared this brief video today showing cars simply ignoring deputies pulled over for a traffic stop. We asked our Jeff Todd to look into the problem. Jeff, we know more tickets are being written, but some people just don't seem to care.
Yeah, Jim, thousands of tickets have been written this year, a lot of those by State Patrol and other jurisdictions, but a lot of drivers may think that this law is just for the interstate. As we saw in that video, it's just as important on roads in your neighborhood. This morning, the Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office was tweeting a ride-along.
It's a great opportunity to educate the community about what patrol does, about what our deputies do out in the community every day.
It was a normal day, including checking on residents and an arrest.
I was riding with Deputy Herrera, and we were covering another deputy on an arrest and a towing of a vehicle.
It's this video that showed how normal days are filled with dangers.
There's a lot of traffic, and she made the comment that it might be unsafe to get out.
The short video shows 3 cars not slowing down and not moving over.
Without actually doing an enforcement effort, it is hard to write those tickets because you are actively involved in a call.
Julie Brooks says there were some cars that obeyed the law today, but dozens of others that did not.
They think, oh, this only applies to I-25 or C-470, and that's not true. They think, oh, I'll go slow or I'll move over a little bit, but that's not enough room. And you can see in the video, if the deputy had to open his door quickly to get out because somebody was doing something or had to quickly make contact again with the driver, he wouldn't have been able to do that safely.
The sheriff's office is hoping this will show people just how important the law is in saving lives.
If you are approaching an emergency vehicle or a tow truck stopped on the side of the road, please move over 1 lane to the left.
If you're not able to move over, the law doesn't say exactly how much you should slow down, but if you're going past some of these first responders, be smart, slow down, give them room to work. Reporting live, Jeff Todd covering Colorado First.